Assemble and connect the commutator frame, the instrument cabinet, and the test bench body. Connect the instrument cabinet to the main body of the test bench. Installation of distribution cabinet. Corresponding installation of wires. The back of the instrument cabinet should be connected to the commutator rack. Tighten the connection screws at the top. The instrument cabinet for placing the computer and the test bench body are assembled and connected. The placement of accessories on the back of the test bench. Installation of water tank heating wire and liquid level sensor. Put the scale rack into the commutator rack to place the scale. Put in the scale. Pipeline installation. Installation of flow meter. Small diameter pipe connection. Pipe connection. Installation of connecting pipes of commutator water tanks. Connection of water tank and refrigerant pipe. Water tank and water pump pipe to connection. Connection of water tank and piston pipe. Connection between flexible connecting pipe and pressure stabilizing tank.